Setting up an AI project, a guide for business analysts. Setting up an AI project involves several key steps that ensure the successful planning, development, and deployment of an AI solution. As business analysts, your role is pivotal in ensuring these projects are executed effectively and align with business goals. Whether developing an AI model for predicting sales trends, building a recommendation system, or designing a chatbot, a structured approach is critical for managing data, algorithms, and the final application. Before any coding begins, it is crucial to clearly define the problem you aim to solve. Begin by asking pertinent questions. What is the goal of the AI project? Are you trying to classify images, predict future outcomes, recommend products, or something else? Understanding the business or functional value helps prioritize the problem-solving approach. Considerations like the expected output, be it a binary outcome, yes, no, a multi-class classification, or continuous prediction, are essential. Also, acknowledge any constraints and limitations, including timeline, available data, computational resources, and project budget. Building a predictive model for customer churn in a subscription-based business aims to identify which customers are likely to cancel their subscriptions, enabling preventive action. AI models heavily rely on data, making the collection and preparation of high-quality data a vital step. Depending on your project's nature, you might need data from databases, APIs, web scraping, or public datasets. Identify required data sources for your AI model, which could be structured, for example, customer purchase history, or unstructured, for example, text, images, video. This ensures that the data is clean and usable for model training through tasks like removing duplicates, handling missing values, and normalizing data. Split your dataset into training, validation, and test sets. Create or select the most relevant features from raw data to enhance model performance by transforming data into useful inputs. For a customer churn project, gathering relevant customer data, like demographics, transaction history, and subscription details, is essential. Pre-processing includes filling missing values and normalizing features. Choosing the appropriate tools and frameworks is crucial for efficient AI model development and deployment. Your selection should align with your programming language preferences, project size, and required features. Python widely used for AI due to its simplicity and rich ecosystem. R ideal for statistical analysis and data-heavy projects. TensorFlow popular for deep learning. PyTorch favored in research for its flexibility. Scikit-learn suitable for classical machine learning models. Pandas and NumPy for data manipulation. Jupyter Notebooks for interactive development. For a customer churn project, use Python with Pandas for data manipulation, Scikit-learn for model building, and Jupyter Notebook for testing. Choosing the right algorithm depends on the problem, such as classification or regression. For supervised learning, algorithms like linear regression or decision trees are common, while for unsupervised learning, clustering techniques like k-means are used. For customer churn prediction, consider a logistic regression model or random forest classifier for binary classification tasks. Training involves feeding your prepared data into the algorithm to learn patterns. This includes model initialization, training with the dataset, validation to prevent overfitting, and hyperparameter tuning for performance improvement. In customer churn, train a random forest classifier by optimizing its hyperparameters for optimal performance. Evaluate the model's performance with test data to assess its generalization. Use metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and ROC-AUC to understand its effectiveness in predicting outcomes. Evaluate the churn prediction model using metrics like accuracy and ROCAUC score. Deploying allows the model to be used in real-world scenarios. Integration into applications, API development for interaction, and continuous monitoring are essential to maintain accuracy as new data becomes available. Deploy the customer churn model within a CRM to identify at-risk customers, enabling proactive interventions. AI models require updates as new data arrives and business needs evolve. Regular retraining and performance evaluation ensure continuous accuracy and relevancy. Continuously retrain the churn prediction model with fresh data to reflect current customer trends. By following these steps, you ensure that AI models effectively address problems, perform well in real-world scenarios, and continuously improve over time. With the right tools, frameworks, and data understanding, setting up a successful AI project becomes achievable for any organization or individual, or